Hi, I'm Tim Skiat. I have a master's degree in sports science and nutrition. I'm a nutritionist, and I'm a certified strength and conditioning specialist. And whether you're determined, young, and ambitious, or you're trying to overcome the frustration of a middle-aged body that seems to turn against you, or you're an active senior, collagen protein may be your meal ticket to better fitness, shape, beauty, and aging gracefully. So, let's start with a key question. What is collagen? Simply put, collagen is the most abundant and arguably the most important protein in the body. In fact, collagen constitutes a whopping 30% of the protein in your body. And that means, aside from water, collagen is the most abundant substance in your body. Pretty crazy, right? Let's take, for example, the fact that collagen makes up 70% of the protein in our skin, and it's one of the primary structural proteins in joints, bones, cartilage, ligaments, tendons, hair, fingernails, blood vessels, spinal discs, the intestinal wall, the blood-brain barrier, and more. Collagen is the glue. Literally, it comes from the Greek word for glue that supports, connects, and holds everything together. Okay, now that you know what collagen is, let me tell you a little bit about how it impacts how you look and feel. When you're young, your body makes all the collagen it needs. That's why your skin is firm and glowing, your joints are supple, your bones are strong, and your digestive system work like a champ. So what happens as you age? In simple terms, we produce less collagen with age. Studies show that skin levels of collagen decrease by about 11 to 13% with each passing decade after the age of 20. And by the time we hit our 80s, we've got roughly 1/3 of the collagen we did when we were in our 20s. Over time, this explains, at least in part, why skin becomes wrinkled, dry, and lax, hair and nails lose their strength, joints become creaky and more vulnerable, recovery slows down and injuries become more likely, bones become more brittle, new food intolerances pop up, and gut-related complaints like leaky gut come out of nowhere, and our bodies just seem to turn on us. Now, I know that sounds grim, but it's not all bad news. In fact, I have great news. Just because we tend to see an age-related decline in collagen production doesn't mean that it's inevitable. You see, collagen depletion is at least partly lifestyle related. Okay, that brings us to the third part of this little collagen lecture, maintaining your collagen levels as you age. Surely you've seen those folks who seem to violate the laws of what's supposed to happen with age. They have healthy, young-looking skin, hair, nails, and teeth. They don't have joint problems. They look great and maintain a physically active lifestyle. They don't complain of digestive-related issues, and they have strong, healthy bones. Are they just genetically gifted? Well, sure, that may be part of the story, but the bigger part of the story is that we can combat age-related consequences through a healthy lifestyle. You see, unhealthy habits like smoking, excess sun exposure, stress, and a poor diet can all accelerate collagen breakdown. For example, consuming high amounts of sugar and refined carbohydrates like flour leads to the formation of advanced glycation end products, which are called AGEs for short. And those accumulate in connective tissue where they accelerate collagen depletion. In fact, AGEs reduce collagen production and increase the activity of enzymes involved in collagen breakdown, a double whammy. Not surprisingly, excess consumption of omega-6 fatty acids, thanks in large part to an abundance of refined, bleached, and deodorized vegetable oils like soybean, corn, canola, cottonseed, safflower, and sunflower oils, also increases the activity of enzymes responsible for breaking down collagen. In other words, the typical Western-style diet and its heavy reliance on processed, packaged fast foods that are fortified with poor quality fats and refined carbohydrates is a surefire recipe to accelerate collagen depletion and the rate at which you look, feel, and act older. Moral of the story, clean up your diet and clean up your act. If you want to feel more like you did when you were younger, eat better, move your body in healthy ways, and dump the habits you know are unhealthy. Okay, so you know what can decrease your collagen levels. But more importantly, there are steps you can take to support healthy levels of collagen, no matter how many candles are on your birthday cake. Now, before getting to the top way to support healthy levels of collagen, I want to mention that vitamin C is essential for the production of collagen. Along those lines, you want to make sure that you're consuming plenty of vitamin C rich foods like citrus fruits, such as oranges and grapefruits, bell peppers, broccoli, Brussels sprouts, cauliflower, strawberries, pineapple, kiwi fruit, and tomatoes. Now, with that being said, the hands down best way to ramp up collagen production is to consume more collagen protein in your diet. You see, unlike normal protein, such as what you'd get from beef, poultry, fish, eggs, dairy, and plants, collagen protein features a very unique profile of amino acids and is particularly abundant in glycine, proline, and hydroxyproline, which is actually only found in collagen protein. Together, these three amino acids account for 40 to 50% of the amino acids in collagen protein, which is 10 to 20 times higher than other common protein sources. So why does that matter? Well, these are the raw materials the body needs to combat collagen breakdown and restore healthy levels of collagen. Even more, research shows that consuming a very specific type of collagen protein, which I'll mention in just a moment, triggers the body to make more collagen and hyaluronic acid, which lubricates and hydrates our connective tissue. Okay, so we've covered what collagen is, why it's important, and how to support healthy levels. In part 4 of this video, we're going to talk about where to find collagen protein. Well, just like us, collagen is the primary structural protein in animals. You'll find it in their connective tissues, such as skin, bones, and cartilage. Unfortunately, we've all been abandoned the traditional nose-to-tail way of eating. Most Americans eat boneless, skinless muscle meat, which provides protein that's vastly different than collagen. We rarely eat bone-in meat, let alone the skin, organ meats, and other connective tissue from land and sea creatures. Of course, bone broth is hotter than a tea kettle, no pun intended, and for good reason, considering it's made by slowly cooking animal bones, skin, tendons, cartilage, and other connective tissues. It's a great source of collagen protein. However, making homemade bone broth takes time to make and clean up, a lot of time. Meanwhile, buying pre-made bone broth can become an expensive habit quite quickly. And let's face it, most people aren't interested in sipping a cup of bone broth every single day, which you'd need to do to continuously support healthy levels of collagen. Another issue with bone broth is that it typically only comes from one source, such as chicken or cattle, instead of multiple sources. You see, varying your collagen protein source is important because different animals have different types of collagen, each of which have different functions in the body. While at least 28 different types of collagen have been identified, there are 3 of the most common types, which are types 1, 2, and 3, and they account for 80 to 90% of the collagen in your body. Now, these various types of collagen are important because they serve different functions. For example, collagen types 1 and 3, which come from cattle and fish, are found in our skin, bones, and tendons. Type 2 collagen, which comes from chicken, is almost exclusively present in the cartilage between bones, those are your joints. Now, I know all that Roman numeral soup may be confusing, but don't get caught up in it. The easiest way to make sure you're getting all the types of collagen proteins you need is to supplement with collagen peptides. Okay, so this brings us to part 5 of this video. What are collagen peptides? Collagen peptides are an easily digestible form of collagen protein that come from connective tissue found in animal skins, hides, and bones. These peptides are absorbed intact and actually trigger the body to make more collagen. Not only that, collagen peptides stimulate the body's production of hyaluronic acid, which is a lubricating fluid that's a key component of healthy hydrated skin and healthy supple joints. Recent scientific research has revealed several exciting benefits of supplementation with collagen peptides, such as healthy, firm, young-looking skin, strong, healthy fingernails, healthy, mobile joints, strong, healthy bones, healthy, strong tendons and ligaments, healthy appetite management, athletic performance and recovery, and gut health, just to name a few. Yes, collagen peptides are really that exciting. Keep in mind, though, not all collagen peptide supplements are created equally. And while you have many options, I'm happy to tell you about the collagen supplement I use every day and recommend to my clients, family, and friends. It's called Ageless Multi-Collagen from Biotrust Nutrition. Unlike bone broth and most gelatin and collagen powders, which typically contain 1 or maybe 2 types of collagen, usually from a single source, Ageless Multi-Collagen features 5 collagen types. Types 1, 2, 3, 5, and 10, which come from 4 premium sources. Hydrolyzed collagen peptides from grass-fed, pasture-raised cattle, which provides types 1 and 3. Hydrolyzed collagen peptides from sustainable fish, which also provides types 1 and 3. A unique and patented eggshell membrane, which provides types 1, 5, and 10. And native undenatured collagen from chicken, which provides type 2 collagen. Now, I already mentioned how important types 1, 2, and 3 are. Type 5 works hand in hand with types 1 and 3 for optimal skin health, and type 10 is a rare type of collagen that is especially important for bone health. Of course, Ageless Multi-Collagen features a special form of naturally hydrolyzed bioactive collagen peptides, which makes a monumental difference because they are absorbed easily and rapidly and trigger the body to make more collagen. Plus, these unique collagen peptides mix easily with hot and cool liquids, which means no more collagen clumps and max absorption for maximum benefits. As an added bonus, Ageless Multi-Collagen also features a naturally fermented form of the essential amino acid tryptophan, which is typically missing from collagen protein. In other words, unlike most collagen powders, which are incomplete proteins, Ageless Multi-Collagen is a complete protein, which is important to help your body look and feel its best. Ageless Multi-Collagen is also completely odorless and tasteless, and it dissolves easily in both hot and cool liquids. That's right, Ageless Multi-Collagen Protein is your no clump, no taste collagen powder solution. And it's super simple to use. You just add a scoop to your coffee, tea, protein shakes, smoothies, or baked goods, and enjoy, without any nasty smell or taste, and without the clumps. You won't even notice the difference, but your skin, hair, muscles, and joints will thank you. What's more, Ageless Multi-Collagen is keto and paleo friendly, and because biotrust is passionate about better health, they promise Ageless Multi-Collagen Powder is dairy-free, cruelty-free, GMO-free, gluten-free, hormone-free, antibiotic-free, and free from artificial sweeteners, flavors, and colors. And like all biotrust products, Ageless Multi-Collagen Protein is manufactured in a GMP-certified facility, and third-party lab testing verifies its purity, potency, and safety. Biotrust also stands behind all its products with a fast and friendly refund policy. All right, don't forget to subscribe to our channel to get more awesome videos just like this.